doing other things I want to do, and what I want to do today is smoke a pineapple. It's fun when you say it like that. Stress that first syllable, pineapple. All right, you got it? Oh, that's good, that's good. Let's do it together. Pineapple. All right, we're gonna smoke a pineapple today on Big Lou Barbecue. I love this recipe for smoked pineapple. You can do it on just about any grill. Done it on a kettle grill for years, but today I'm gonna be using my Barrel House smoker and the Turkey Plus kit. It makes it so easy to just hang it in there, y'all. All right, we're gonna put a glaze on it too, so stick around. Let's watch Big Lou Barbecue smoke a pineapple. First thing we're gonna do is make pineapple paste. Okay, what we're gonna do is use some of this Caribbean John coconut milk, leche de coco. Got a, what they call a church key. It's a Falstaff church key from the 50s, y'all. Look at that. Look at that right there. It's really cool. All right. Small hole there, big hole there. All right. Measurements, I don't know. That looks right. Coconut milk. All right. Let's go with some vanilla. And this is a blended vanilla and pure. It'll work. I like a lot of vanilla. I like vanilla. All right, sprinkle in some cinnamon. I like cinnamon. All right, let's get some honey in here. Sweeten that with honey. Coconut milk and honey. All right, that's about a quarter cup of honey. About a quarter cup. 2 ounces maybe. All right. I don't know, maybe half a cup, a third of a cup of coconut milk. Mix all that together like that. That's gonna be good. Let's cut the pineapple. All right, to cut this pineapple, now this is a sort of a short, squatty one, and it's got still a little bit green here. We've had it a few days, but still a little bit green. I'm gonna go ahead and use it though. Just cut the top off right like that. Oh, it's got a lot of brown stuff in there. I'm gonna use it anyway. Let me cut that part off too. We'll go with that right there. That's a little better. All right. I got this fancy gadget. Now, I know Alton Brown says he doesn't like one-time use gadgets. It's a pineapple core and stuff. But hey, I paid 25 cents for this at a garage sale and it was still new in the box, never been used. You stick that right around the core, like that, and you twist. You just twist it on down. And then just work it out. There it goes. Like that. And like that. That part, the handle pops off. See, it was on. Then I took it off. And you do this, right like that. Here's a little piece for my son. Try that, Eli. Pineapple, tell me if it's fresh.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good? Now, well, it's the first time I've done this with the turkey hanger kit. Been wanting to do it for a while, but if I'd realized the hook fit through the pineapple core, I would have already had the base screwed onto the bottom of it. It's not hard to do. It's just 2 little rods and you put them in an X pattern, just like that. Works well. All right. Just like that. Screwed in. Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. Now, got some pineapple paint right here. You saw me mix that up. Got a little pineapple paintbrush. We're gonna paint that all over this on both sides. All right. Even down through the center. Just like, did I not get that part right there? You want to drink that pineapple juice in there?
Yes, sir. Even got me a cup.
Well, he's even got a cup. My son knows he wants his pineapple juice right there like that. Look at that. Probably could have gone down a little deeper. I thought it was at the bottom. I probably had another slice or two on that. I like the pineapple core. All right. Y'all, I'm going to hang this in the barrel house just like that and let it smoke away. Big Lou barbecue. All right. Let's set this smoked pineapple down in here. Just like that. I've got a drip pan in there because I cooked the brisket earlier today. Letting these coals go, and they're still good, and because I refueled it, and I'm gonna let the drip pan just sit there. It's got still got some smoking wood in it. I'm gonna let that go for about an hour. All right, let's take a look at this pineapple. Can you see that down in there? Ooh, it smells delicious. It smells absolutely wonderful. And see if we can get it out of here. I should have brought my pit mitt. Should have brought my pit mitt. Come on, there we go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that gorgeousness. Look right here. Turn it on the side. Gorgeous. Let's go inside and cut it up. All right, to remove it off the rack, all you do is just take a knife and just cut right down it. Bring it on off the rack. Just like that. Oops, it fell over. That's okay. I like the top ring best. They're all good though. All of them are good. All right. So got all these right here, just like that. Just all on the rack. And I'm gonna be greedy and I'm gonna save the top one for my wife. I'll take part of the bottom. And I'm gonna take this one right here. Now, I'm sorry, I didn't show it to you. It was off camera, I apologize. I'm gonna take that one and save that top one for my wife. Now we're gonna put some more of this glaze on it. Just drizzle that all on there, all right? Like that. Let's try it. Oh, it's wonderful. My daughter Hannah just said, best pineapple ever. They're always good. That's the first time I've done it in the barrel house, so turkey hanger kit, pretty good idea, man. That was delicious. I want to give you a little serving suggestion with this. I did this with this pineapple. I didn't show it on video, but I often do it. All right, just get you one of those warm pineapple rings like that, set it on top of a bowl of chocolate ice cream and pour that coconut vanilla glaze, that pineapple paint. Pineapple, that's how you got to say it, pineapple. Put that pineapple paint on top of that chocolate ice cream. Oh, warm it up a little bit in the microwave too if you want to, you know. That's good. It's good on any ice cream. It's really good on chocolate ice cream. And pineapple and the chocolate and that vanilla coconut. Woo! Y'all try that. Big Lou barbecue.